Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your US Bank to Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start keeping track of your finances on the Rocket Money app, but you bank with US Bank. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to the Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon in the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on linked accounts. From here, you want to go ahead and click on add institution, and then the software called Plaid is going to open up. Plaid is what Rocket Money uses to actually connect to financial institutions. It connects it in seconds and it also keeps your data safe. Click on continue and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts for connecting your bank. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect US Bank with your Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next